Hi there, Sue here from Paperclip. Well, today I'm going to share one of my top tips. What are the costs of disorganisation? What do you think the three main costs of disorganisation are? Let's think about it. Have you missed paying a bill on time? Bought something 2 or 3 times because you never had a home for it? Now, what does that cost? A financial cost. How much time do you waste looking for stuff? Well, statistically, they say you can spend up to 6 weeks of your year looking for stuff. How do you feel when you're disorganized? Maybe stressed, overwhelmed, out of control? That's right. There's also an emotional cost to being disorganized. So the 3 costs: financial, emotional, and time. So it's important to take back control so you can feel in control of your time and your stuff.